the Saturday before Easter Sunday. It's warm. It's really, really warm. I'm coming out to check on my worms. I checked on them this morning, and as predicted, because I had had some delivered, they had all climbed up. They do that until they settle in and realise where their feeding zone is. So I've had to leave the lid off. Don't worry, I'm not going to show you the contents. Had to leave the lid off so that, because they're light sensitive, they would crawl back into the mud, into the compost. So I'm just going to give them, just check on them again and give them a little bit of food. And yeah, hope that, oh, Chris the farmer's in the field. Hope that the worms start doing what they need to be doing. It's so peaceful today. I'm just flicking through the White Company catalogue. Oh, I love it. That image there, oh, gorgeous. I'd like to get some lights, festoony lights, party lights out here. I think they would look really lovely. We've got a massive long string of lights that go around our kitchen. I'm hoping the fuse is gone because they're not working at the moment. So I'm hoping it's just the fuse. And if it's not, I'm going to get another load. And they're indoor-outdoor ones. I'm going to see if I can find a way to string them out here as well. So when I click the clicker, lights out here come on too. That's my little plan. And I've got some of these sort of little crook things. I don't know if I can show you. There's one up there. It was protecting. Can you see it? Just there. It was protecting my Gora when it was just a tiny little seedling plant. And I reckon I'll just put some wire around some jam jars and that'll look lovely. Today I'm wearing a cardigan that I've not worn in ages. I bought this just from somewhere like Fred and Florence or whatever it's called at Tesco, and I did cross stitch on it by using the I can't remember if it was that soak away cross stitch medium or the woven stuff that you then wet and you can pull it out strand by strand. I did this, gosh, years ago. I did it when we were in Spain. I can remember sitting on the patio under cover. Granny and Kate were playing Scrabble and I was just sitting there sewing this and we were all just chatting. It was really nice. Oh, that's the timer for the bread rolls. They've gone a bit mad. Oh well. Amazing puff on them. Funny shape. Back to the cardigan. You can see I didn't cross stitch the leaves. I don't really know what I did there. I think I just did stabbing stitch type things. I don't even know if I was filming what I was talking about then because I was looking at the actual cardigan, not looking at my screen. What a numpty. Obviously I'm wearing my hat because I live in it, and my sunglasses because I live in those too. And yeah, it's cute really, isn't it? I mean, a bit twee, I know, that's a bit twee. And it's actually not really my taste anymore, but I'm just pootling around the garden and the house, so it doesn't really matter. I'm looking forward to my lunch. I made a ham and I cooked a gam. We love a spoonerism. I cooked a gammon and made a ham the other day, and I kept the stock from it and I made it into a courgette and lentil soup with the carrots and onions and celery that was left from the stock. The boys have got sausage rolls. Toby and I are eating the soup with the fresh bread rolls, but he wants a bacon sandwich, bacon roll, not just a roll with his soup, so that's what he will have. Weird combination. I like to dunk my buttered roll into my soup. I don't want to have bacon. I'd have bacon crispy on top of my soup. That would be nice. I don't have enough bacon to do that though. We're getting a little low on supplies, not desperate. I probably could squeak it out another week, but I'm thinking about going to the shop on Tuesday. I'm going to review it day by day from next week, because if we can keep out of the shops, that's better. See, he's pecking it. What is he doing?
That's okay.
He's going mad on it.
Sweaty now.
What have you guys got on your heads? This is Gora. Blooming dead. It's not survived the winter, which is crazy because we had such a mild winter. Oh, I'm so peeved because I love Gora. Oh. Never mind. This choice is looking beautiful. I think it's called White Dazzler or something like that. Smells nice. These are cute. I think you might have a little situation there, my darling.
I think it might be working now.
These are those things I was telling you about. They're marking where I've got a cable. It's a bird's nest. Don't worry, I didn't get too close. What are you doing?
Can I go back on the skipboard?
If you squint, it actually looks like a perfectly manicured garden. What are you doing? You are infinitely cool, Bill. You sort of look a little bit like a fly.
It's Karen Sunny!
Well, if you're getting my gardening gloves all wet, please don't. Oh, smell it, it's lush. I've just drenched him. What's he doing now? He's drenching himself. I saw you doing it, you funny onion. You'll need a definitely need a nice warm shower now. Oh, so lush. Right then, let's give you a gardening update in the greenhouse. This is some pineapple mint that when Franca took me to the pig last May for my birthday, they dug it up for me. And then, what was this one that they dug up? Pig near Bath. Orange mint. I'm pretty sure this was the pineapple mint. So I think this one's just overtaken. So I'm going to try. Yeah, the variegated was the pineapple mint. Look at the state of my nails. So I'm going to try to pick out some of it. You see, the thing is with mint, it's so successful. This entire pot will just be one great big root. So it won't grow well in here because it's not got enough nutrients, not got enough space or soil left. So I'm just gonna put it out on my concrete here and separate it out best I can with a spade. Let's see how everything else is doing. We've got the spearmint in here. I need to pot this up properly. The salad is coming along. This was, I think I put this in about a week and a half ago. It's supposed to be ready to eat in 3 weeks. It's only got a week and a half to grow like the clappers. I don't think we'll be eating homegrown salad for a little while. What have we got up here? We've got, look, I've got some sweet peas. Finally. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I've got 4 in the kitchen as well. Calendula's going bananas. I'm going to plant that around the edges of my new veg patch because it's a good companion plant. Tomatoes have sprung up pretty well. Turnip greens, they're a bit like spinach. They're doing all right. Blue leeks, they're looking okay. I've got some more mamba beans coming up here. Some chives. Sweet Milton indoor, I think they're cherry tomatoes. Cavolo Nero's on its way. I've got a few cauliflowers. They're on their way. These are flowers, these are cerinthes. I blooming love them. They're coming up. I've got oodles and poodles of cosmos. I'll prick out all of these once they get some true leaves. These are their seed leaves, but once they've all got true leaves, I'll prick them out, pop them up, grow them on, and just fill the garden with them. Did I show you my Savoy cabbages? And the kale? I can hear something buzzing. What do I need to rescue now? Oh no! Oh no, that's all right. I thought it was in It's a bee fly. I thought it was in a net, a web, but it's not. It's fine. He's fine. He'll find his way out. Got some sweet corn in here that has not germinated just yet. Oh no, it has. It has actually. Look, that's sweet corn in there. But I don't know what that is. I think it might be a cosmos, potentially a tomato. Yeah, that needs water. Okay, I'm gonna do this now. They're doing a fish and chips delivery service where we are, and it's just arrived. So while the watering can's filling, I'm just going to show you the things I've got hardening off outside. We have got runner beans, We've got wizard field beans, tomato medleys, mamba.